majoring in physiology, and a few of my hobbies, I love to cook and I love to bake. I know I'm not the best, but I do still love doing it. I like to sing, I also like to swim, I like to play a few different sports, and let's see, I love hanging out with my family and friends. I am a Sagittarius, my birthday is in December, and if I could take any celebrity to the masquerade, I would definitely have to take Josh Duhamel, just because I think he's very handsome and I think he'd be a great date.
Hi, I'm Joshua Vang, and I am a freshman here at the University of Minnesota. My major is biology, science, and environment, hopefully. And some hobbies I like to do, I like to sing. It's a passion of mine, just do it in my free time. I also like to cook. I mean, I rarely cook here on campus, but I like the chance of cooking, it's fun. And I don't know, just playing sports, like football, frisbee, running. I like being healthy. And if I could take one celebrity to a masked ball, it would have to be Leonardo DiCaprio. I know I should be bringing a girl, but I don't know, I just love the guy. He's awesome. And my horoscope is Scorpio.
Hi, I'm Ariel Lohr. I'm a junior in the College of Continuing Education. My major is ICP, and my concentrations are business and marketing, communications, and leadership. My horoscope sign is a Virgo. In my spare time, I like to play volleyball, hang out with friends and family. So if I could bring anyone to the masquerade ball, it would be Channing Tatum, because he's so gorgeous.